Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to share with you guys this new update. So if this is your first time of stopping by, please do well to hit that subscribe button and subscribe while we go into the video. All right, you can literally make money from your WhatsApp even while you are not online, even while you are asleep. Okay, now I'm going to be showing you how you can make money on WhatsApp on auto. All right, while you're not online or while you're offline, you can make money from your WhatsApp. Now, in my recent videos, I've taught you how to set up your e-commerce store. So if you've not seen that video, please do well to go watch that video. All right. So the very first thing you want to do is this. You want to click on this top right hand corner over here for more option. Then you click on the business tool. Then you go down and click on away message. Now it says this away message says that it automatically reply with a message when you are away, when you're not online. It replies anyone who chats you up automatically when you are offline. All right, but then you have to impute what the message will be all about. So click on this pen icon over here to edit it. So if somebody chats me up, for instance, and I'm not online, this is what the person is going to get. Right, please hold on while we put you through to Jerry. While you wait, check out our product catalog, and the link is there. So I've added my product catalog over here. All right, this is my product catalog link. This one here is my product catalog link, so that anyone who clicks on it, the person automatically goes to my product catalog and look at my product. Okay, so once you've written you've imputed what you want to what you want people to see as a message while you're away, you click OK. All right, so let's see, let's do some experimenting. So let me go to that product catalog link on another WhatsApp and let's see how it goes. So this is what it's going to look like. So the person, once the person clicks on that product catalog link, the person is going to come down to this page. So this is my page. This all happens while I'm offline. All right, so the person is going to click on any of my products. All right, click on any of my products and request for it. All right, so what the person needs to do is just to click on the message business icon, and the person will impute a message, and I will also receive that message while I'm offline. All right, and once I receive that message, so if the person says he wants to buy one of my products, I will have to impute what is called quick replies. So once you're done here, you click on save, then go to these quick replies. All right, then I already have two quick replies here, so let me click on this one. If you want to add a quick reply, just simply click on the plus icon down here. So if the person says I want to buy and the keyword buy is in his statement, this will be my reply automatically even while I'm offline. I would say buy here using this link. So this is my seller link that contains all my products, and also that could allow the person to make card payment even while I'm not there. So while I'm asleep, while I'm offline, I can make money from my WhatsApp through this simple process. All right, the person sends me a message, the person receives an automatic offline reply from me that links the person to my product catalog. From my product catalog, the person sends me, or the person chooses a product he wants to buy. Then I also send my WhatsApp also sends the person an offline message that leads the person to where he can buy that product on my seller account. So guys, this is how you can make money while you are asleep. So once you've edited your quick replies, you click on save. If the transaction is successful and the person says thanks or thank you or thanks, the person will receive this quick reply that says thank you for your business, we look forward to work with you again. All right, so once you're done editing your quick reply, you can click save. Also, you can add pictures to your quick reply. Any picture you want to add to your quick reply, you can add to your quick reply, or all and all that. All right, so that is how to do it, that guys, that is how to do it. That is how to do it. That is how to do it. All right, so once you're done, you click on save. Okay, so guys, if you learned something from this video, please do well to hit that subscribe button and subscribe, and also give this video a thumbs up. I want to get your feedback, guys, so see you next time.